British Heart Foundation here, and I've got Tim Barclay with me to explain why he's handing out leaflets against what the charity appear to be doing. So, Tim, surely people think the heart research is a good thing?
Well, people think that it's a good thing, and maybe it's not a bad thing, heart research. The Dr Hadwen Trust actually does heart research without the need to test on animals. Where we object to the British Heart Foundation is that they actually fund animal testing as a profit-making venture. We also object to them on other issues as well. But our main issue today is about the fact that they are funding animal experiments. And many people across the country today are actually protesting outside the Heart Foundation shops. We would prefer that money for heart research goes to the Dr Hadwen Trust because they do not test on animals.
And there's a question too about money being hoarded and not actually getting to the charity in good time.
Well, what we're finding is that with several charities, and that includes the Heart Foundation, and this can be checked out online, what we're finding here is that the CEO and other members that actually run the so-called Heart Foundation are making a large profit out of this for themselves. They are on very exuberant wages, and much of the money that's collected is actually going into funding building more shops. So it's become self-defeating in the fact that not the amount of money that should do is going to any good causes as far as we are concerned. This is also checkable online. Please look at this online, and also check out the Dr Hadwen Trust.
Thank you.